Meme coins are gearing up to have one of the biggest rallies, to have one of the biggest bull markets that the cryptocurrency space has ever seen. It is time to figure out who you are as an investor. Are you going to load up on some memes? Are you going to watch your portfolio grow by ridiculous amounts? Or hey, are you going to play it a little bit safer? Are you going to go Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of the top altcoins? It is completely up to you. But in this video, I want to talk about a couple of meme coins here. We're going to look at Dog to the Moon because it is already barreling in on a $1 billion market cap. And then, of course, I'm going to present you guys with an opportunity to do the exact same thing with Base Dogs. Base Dogs is a brand new token launching on several blockchains that could do the exact same thing. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro, and as you can see, we got Base Dogs on the screen right now. So if at any time during this video you feel interested in buying in, make sure you use the official affiliate link that's in the description below. It's going to pull you up to the correct website. You're going to be able to come out here, and this is the very first day. Nobody even knows about this token yet, and they've already raised $208,000 in this pre-sale. And to show you that nobody knows about them, take a look at their X account. It is brand new. It is fresh. 20 followers. Guys, this token was launched 2 hours ago, and they have already done over $250,000, $208,000. Let's talk about why this is so special. Dog-based meme coins are going through the roof. I mean, they're literally going to the moon. This one specifically, Dog to the Moon, is about to today crack that $1 billion market cap. Now you can see story after story after story being written about it. Bitcoin-based meme coin Dog rockets towards $1 billion market cap. Dog price analysis. You've got Dog to the Moon up 25%, beating Floki, and you've got massive gains on the horizon as it reaches that $1 billion market cap. To show you the graph, just over the last couple of days, this guy came on at the end of April. It bottomed around 0.002, and it's currently sitting on roughly a 5x increase to nearly 1 cent. When it hits 1 cent, it is going to be crashing through that $1 billion market cap. Here we are at 0.00959. Very, very close. The world is watching, and they know that dog-based meme coins are going to continue soaring throughout this bull market, which is why Base Dogs could do the exact same thing. Guys, nearly $250,000 raised so far just in the first couple of hours. 20 people on their X account. Essentially no marketing has been done yet, and they are gathering this much demand. Now, if you find yourself interested in buying and you want to buy on the Ethereum network, for 10 Ethereum, you guys are going to be walking away with nearly 8 million Base Dogs at a price of almost half a cent. Clearly, a half a cent mark is beautiful because it's going to be very easy to hopefully drop that zero, break the 1 penny mark, and go even higher after launch. But not only can you buy it with Ethereum, you guys can grab it in USDT, you can grab it on the Base network, you can grab it with BNB, Avalanche, and Solana as well. So take your pick on how you're going to be getting into Base Dogs here. But one of the best parts of this entire project, share to earn. You've heard of play to earn, right? Play to earn is fun. Share to earn. If you guys will buy in, or honestly, if you don't want to buy in, you can still refer, right? But you can connect your wallet, get a referral link, and you're going to be earning 10% of any amount in USDT that your friends, family, social media following, whatever it is that they buy into, you're going to be getting a 10% kickback. I mean, guys, share to earn is the way to go, and perhaps one of the reasons that this is selling out as quickly as it is. So you can go through and you can read a little bit about this Base Dog here as he jumped down and get his story as they redefine cryptocurrency and really target the adrenaline-seeking crowd out there. But take a look at the tokenomics. 20% set aside for the pre-sale, 20% set aside for staking, 20% for liquidity, 15% for marketing, 15% for the dog's rewards, and another 10% set aside for listings. Guys, the roadmap is just now taking off as the pre-sale just started today, and I really like the animation on their website because as you scroll down, you can continue to see that this guy is going to land right on target. But check this out. I think these are very cool. Another token that we did a lot of was Smog token. Smog token had a very successful airdrop, and Base Dogs is setting up to have just as a successful airdrop. If you want to collect points, this is how early you are. This is not yet available. So make sure after you guys buy in, if you want to collect points for their airdrop, you continue to check back. Make sure to utilize the official affiliate link in the description below to pull up the correct website so that you guys can collect actual points for the airdrop. But you're going to be able to do that right there. I think that's incredible that you can earn free tokens simply for interacting and I guess taking place with what they want you to do. Now, if you still don't understand how to buy, it is very intuitive to connect your wallet at the top of the screen and follow through that widget, but they do have a nice 3-step process that allows you to know exactly how to buy. Frequently asked questions. Excellent. If you guys want to contact support, you can contact Maverick at basedogs.com. You can go out there, get ready for staking. Receiving your pre-sale tokens is going to take place after the pre-sale ends. How do you participate in the pre-sale? Connect your wallet, buy in, and then of course, what is Base Dogs? Base Dogs is a meme coin inspired by the spirit of base jumping and the cultural phenomenon of the Shiba Inu meme. And we know how well these dog coins and how well these Shiba Inu coins do. Finally, if you want to contact him, make sure to check him out. You can see that he has landed right on target, bouncing off beautifully as all of these other memes lift him up. But guys, I just want to show you how early you are. 20 followers. 2 posts on their social media account, and just 2 hours ago announcing that the pre-sale is live. Look, this token right here, Dog Go to the Moon, rolling in on a $1 billion market cap. It is obvious that dog coins are here to stay, that meme coins are going to produce wild gains during this upcoming bull market. Base Dogs could do that for you, getting in at the very early stages, and it is very, very easy to determine how much you want. 10 Solana, you're walking away with 352,000. 10 Ethereum, that's 10 USDT. 10 Ethereum, you're walking away with 7.9 million. It is up to you. I am very excited about this pre-sale. I want to know down in the comments below if you guys are excited about this pre-sale. And of course, if both of these dogs are going to go to the moon. Let me know what you think. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.